To turn on or turn off in absence notification in Telegram, open Telegram, tap Telegram to open, and then tap more icon or three line icon, select settings, and then tap notifications and sounds, scroll down the screen, and then in app notifications, tap in app sounds, switch until blue to turn on or to switch until gray to turn off. So switch until blue to turn on. Then add notifications starts or the switch until gray to turn off. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.